In the second paragraph, the electric field is mentioned in order to. The passage does not denote impact of electric field on droplets of spider web, rather show the impact of droplets on electric field. Nothing in here is inferred the way through how spider arrange to attack their prey or ascertain the place on web where electric field show the measure of conductivity through the spider web, rather the conductivity of the wave droplets to have the prey is emphasized in the second paragraph, and the idea of electric field of earth is compressed is irrelevant in the context of the passage. So choice A, choice C, choice D, and choice E are to be eliminated. In the second paragraph, we can see that scientists also found that the glue spirals on the waves distort Earth's electric field, and to squint denotes the fluctuation or distortion. So the correct answer is choice B, from where we can infer that the electric field is mentioned in order to reflect the squint or distortion in the electric field in the specific premises of the wave. So the correct answer is choice B.